Welcome to part 2 of Stocks 101. How do stocks make money? Today, we'll look at how you make money from stocks. When you're investing in stocks, money or profit can be made in one of two ways: dividends or capital gains. Before we talk about these two ways, there's one important note to always remember when investing in stocks. There is no guarantee that the stocks you invest in will make money. You could just as easily lose money. Say that again. There is no guarantee that the stocks you invest in will make money. Remember that. Now let's talk about dividends. When a public company makes profits, they can choose to allocate some of those profits to their shareholders in the form of dividends. Dividends are typically paid quarterly, directly to shareholders, unless they choose to reinvest the dividends to purchase additional shares of the company. For example, let's say I own 100 shares in Company X. For the first quarter of the year, Company X announces they will pay shareholders a dividend of 5 cents per share. For my 100 shares, I would receive $5. Remember, companies are not required to pay dividends. Now let's talk about capital gains. A capital gain is made when you sell stock in a company for more than you paid for it. Let's look at our example of 100 shares in Company X again. When I purchased my 100 shares, they cost $5 per share for a total of $500. After a few years, Company X's stock price has risen to $8 per share. I decide to sell my 100 shares for $800. This results in a capital gain of $300. The price of a stock is not guaranteed to rise. It can just as easily fall. If this happens, and you sell your shares for less than you paid for them, you will suffer a capital loss. Going back to our example, the price of the 100 shares I bought for $5 per share drops, and are now valued at $3 a share. If I sell these shares for $300, I will have suffered a $200 capital loss. It's also possible for the value of shares of Company X to drop to zero, and for me to lose my entire investment. Next time, in part 3 of Stocks 101, we'll look at where you can purchase and sell stocks.